Okay, so for this I'm using my modded alpha. It has the same general mods as my long strike, except obviously this extra tack rail and lack of jam door. And just put this into the mount. This is a 2v4 team deathmatch. I'm on the 2 with my friend who has the same sort of alpha, and the other 4 have reasonably stock blasters. Our spawn point's this door. Don't run into it. Okay, so the guys, us 2 have 3 lives each. Those guys have 2 lives each. You guys ready? You guys ready? Back to your bin. Back to your spawn point.
I'm gonna take off the strap for this one.
Yeah. Yeah. Drop the straps. I'm just taking off the strap because we don't need it. We're not using sidearms this time. And yeah, that's the stuff we're using. 3, 2, 1, go! Epic win.
Alright, that was done.
Gets him. God. Got you. Did I get you, Paul, or was that blaster hit?
That hit.
That hit. You reloading?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a bit long.
What is? What is?
You're gone.
Shut up. Just trying to put the clip back in my tack vest. Keeps falling out.
You're dead. You're trolling me!
Don't you remember last time we went to Ra's house? Got you, Ben. Damn it, I'm out. What happened?
I ran out of bullets, I was gonna kill Paul. He ran out of bullets as well.
Dup.
Basically, follow them out.
Is he dead?
Yep.
Damn.
Paul ran out of bullets. Frostlight goes up, shoots him at point blank. Click.
Dup. Oh, damn, these 18 clips are really hard to get into the tack vest. Ugh. I haven't lost any, as usual. What? Yeah, I'm picking up darts now because there's a whole ton littered. Don't know if you can see, but there is a lot.
Hey Chewie, I don't like this 3-on-1 that's going on here.
Hang on.
Why? There we go.
Got you. Something got you. Watch the car. Don't go too close. Alan, are you out? Oh, damn it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Chewie, you got a spit back?
Not really. Load this one up. Here. I got him covered. Not too close to the car, we don't want to take it out.
YOLO, man, you can do it!
You out?
I think that's it.
Are you out or are you just picking up?
Everyone's out.
You guys out?
Yeah.
Are you guys all out?
Yeah.
Yes, we win!
Ben, most valuable player on our team.
Bro, we win.